Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss the next topic of your syllabus, that is functions of Bar Council of India. Bar Council of India is a statutory body that regulates and represents the Indian bar. It was created by the Parliament under the Advocates Act 1961. It prescribes standards of professional conduct, etiquettes and exercises disciplinary jurisdiction over the bar. It also sets standards for legal education and grants recognition to universities whose degree in law will serve as a qualification for students to enroll themselves as advocates upon graduation. Now comes the functions of Bar Council of India. Bar Council of India shall be responsible to lay down standards of professional conduct and etiquette for advocates, to lay down the procedure to be followed by its disciplinary committee and the disciplinary committee of each state bar council. Next is to safeguard the rights, privileges, and interests of the advocates. Bar Council of India shall also be responsible to promote and support law reform, to deal with disposal of any matter arising under the Act, which may be referred to it by a State Bar Council. It will also exercise general supervision and control over the State Bar Council. It will also promote legal education and will be laying down the standards of such education in consultation with universities in India, imparting such education and the State Bar Council. It will also recognize universities whose degree in law shall be a qualification for enrollment for an advocate, for that purpose to visit and inspect universities or cause the State Bar Council to visit and inspect universities in accordance with such directions as it may be given in this behalf. It will also conduct seminars and organizes talk on legal topics by eminent jurists and publish journal and paper of legal interest. Bar Council of India will also organize legal aid to the poor in prescribed manner. It will also recognize on a reciprocal basis foreign qualification in law obtained outside India for the purpose of admission as an advocate under this Act. It will also manage and invest the funds of the Bar Council. It will provide for the election of its members, and it is also to perform all other functions conferred on it by or under this Act. Bar Council of India is also supposed to do all other things necessary for discharging the aforesaid functions. Bar Council of India may constitute one or more funds in the prescribed manner for the purpose of giving financial assistance to recognize organized welfare schemes for indigent, disabled, or other advocates, giving legal aid or advice in accordance with the rules made in this behalf, establishing law libraries. Bar Council of India may receive any grants, donations, gifts, or benefactions for all or any of the purpose specified in subsection A, which shall be credited to the appropriate funds constituted under the subsection. According to Section 7A of the Advocates Act 1961, the Bar Council of India may become a member of international legal bodies such as the International Bar Association or International Legal Aid Association to contribute such sums as it needs to such bodies by way of subscription and otherwise can authorize expenditure on the participation of its representatives in any international legal conference center. Now comes other powers and functions of Bar Council of India. Bar Council of India will give such financial assistance as it did to the State Bar Council in need of funds for the purpose of performing its function. Bar Council of India will also prevent a citizen of any country from practicing profession of law in India when that country specified by the central government in this behalf prevents citizen of India from practicing the profession of law in their country. Section 37 of the Advocates Act empowers the Bar Council of India to hear appeal against the order of disciplinary committee of a bar council. Every such appeal shall be heard by the disciplinary committee of the Bar Council of India. Section 38 provides that any person aggrieved by the order passed by the disciplinary committee of the Bar Council of India may be challenged within 60 days by way of appeal before the Supreme Court. It will also record. Uh, it will also call the record of any proceedings from any state bar council or committee thereof to see legality and propriety of such proceeding. Bar Council of India will also give its own order of any of its committee except the disciplinary committee. BCI will also give direction to the State Bar Council or any other committee thereof for the proper and efficient discharge of the functions of the State Bar Council. Thank you so much, students. See you in the next video with a new topic.